Isaac from Streetwise Economics. Today I'm currently recording this video in Zimbabwe. I am at Shivara Farm. I have had the privilege of being allowed to just read, and I would like to first of all thank Mr. Kurasha and his lovely wife, my group, Kurasha. Thank you so much for the privilege of allowing me to create this content. Now, I'm going to walk you through the farming process here. Specifically, you can see this is livestock, and give some insights because some people may not understand, the farming background about Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is a country that is located in Africa, and one of the key sectors that drive the economy in Zimbabwe is farming. Of course, there's mining, banking, but farming is a very, very crucial part of Zimbabwe's economy. So there was the land reform, which meant that some black farmers who were a minority had access to farms. So what you can see right here is actually one of the results of the land reform in Zimbabwe. So you can see right here, guys, this is cattle, and this cattle, what is the breed of this cattle? Also, this is Borani and Brahman, and they are mostly for meat, right? And Munoita mkaka here, like is there some milk as well? Yeah, so it's mostly for beef, for meat, right? Okay, thank you so much for explaining. So what you see here, right here, this is, head. I think it's more than 100 heads of cattle. And in Zimbabwe, I think, if you are looking at some of these breeds, I think you are probably looking at one cattle or one bull, depending if it's a bull. Sometimes it can sell for 5,000 or more, right? So this is something that is very interesting because the beef that we eat, this is where it comes from. But to get to this point, obviously, there's a lot of things that come into play. You need the land, like you can see this farm, it's a big farm here. And you can also appreciate that you need a bit of capital to construct this infrastructure. And you need to maintain the workers on the farm, the cattle, the livestock. They also need feed and all these other things. So this is one of the things that I'm learning about investing, that sometimes I love to invest in the stock market, but some people, particularly some farmers, they're investing in farming, and you can see the fruits of farming as an investment. And this, at this level, in my view, this is something that is great and commendable. So I wanted to just share this with you. So this first segment of this is just for the livestock, and then we'll also show you guys the goats. What do you call them? Those goats, they are the breed, the Boer breed, and it's mostly for meat, and it's something that is, like one beer Boer goat, I think it costs more than $600. So it's farming that is very, very commendable. So I just wanted to do this first segment here and share with you guys. So I'm gonna do the other segment there to just show you some of the work that is currently happening here in Zimbabwe with the farming that is currently happening. Isaac Jonas reporting from Zimbabwe. Make sure you subscribe, you follow me for more quality content. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.